Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Cotsoco massage gun. You can get this product on Amazon for about $36. Check out the link in the description. The massage gun comes with a carrying case, 6 massage heads, a charging cable, a user manual, and some information about trigger points therapy. The user manual and the trigger points therapy information tell you everything you need to know about the massage gun and how to use the different massage heads. Changing the different massage heads is very easy. When you turn on the massage gun, you can check the remaining battery capacity on the LCD screen below the handle. You can start the massage gun with the on-off button, increase the speed with a plus button, and reduce the speed with a minus button. The charging time is about 3 hours and the battery life is up to 6 hours depending on the speed level. Percussion therapy boosts muscle function and recovery by penetrating deep into the muscle tissue with a series of rapid, concentrated pulsating strokes. It is known to maximize pain relief, enhance performance, and accelerate muscle recovery. I tested the massage gun for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very nice product. It's lightweight and easy to use and it's great for my body. So if you are looking for a lightweight 30-speed massage gun with 6 different massage heads and a carrying case, I would recommend the Cotsoco massage gun. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.